What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer money from Binance to MTFE. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to open your MTFE app inside your phone, and you need to copy the wallet address, like the MTFE wallet address. This is very important to transfer money from Binance to MTFE. You need to copy the wallet address. So if you don't know how to copy the wallet address, currently I'm using my laptop, but I'm going to be showing you a random video here showing you guys how you can copy the MTFE wallet address. You want to go to your MTFE and then you need to click on as you can see, you just need to watch this video if you don't know. Click on wallet and then click on recharge, and here is your MTFE wallet address. As you can see, it's called wallet address, and you just need to copy it. Okay, so after you copy the wallet address, guys, what you need to do, guys, next you want to go to your Binance. You want to you want to log into your Binance account. If you are using phone or laptop, it doesn't matter, the same process for both devices. So after you open your Binance account, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on wallet in the top right. Okay, and then click on fiat and spot the second option. Here is what you need to do, guys, next. Now you want to scroll down a little bit, and after that, guys, you need to select the coin that you want to transfer. So for example, you want to transfer BNB. Okay, as you can see, you have, for example, BNB or whatever. Here you can choose whatever you want. Now for example, BNB, like next to that in the action section, as you can see here withdraw. Okay, next to BNB or whatever coin you want to transfer to your MTFE, you can see here next to that withdraw. You want to click on withdraw, and after that, guys, you need to paste here the MTFE address. Now that's why I told you guys at the beginning to copy the MTFE address from the app, and then after that you want to paste that address here. Okay, you want to paste it here, and here you want to select the withdrawal network. Okay, you need to go with I would say, let me check. Okay, you want to select the network. Okay, make sure you select the correct network. This is very important. So for example, BNB, click confirm, and here, like I said, you need to select you need to copy here the address. Okay, you need to copy the you need to paste the address of your wallet. Okay, so after you copy here, after you paste here the address, and after you add the correct network, then at the bottom you can see something like confirm or transfer, whatever, you can see it here at the bottom. Okay, you just want to click it, and that's it. And you can see the steps in the top, guys. Start a withdrawal request on Binance, copy and paste the deposit address of the receiver, wait for withdrawal network confirmation, deposit successfully sent to the receiver's address. So that's it, guys. Okay, hopefully this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.